Chef Ricardo. This is the Juice Bar channel. I'm gonna make you a fantastic drink and I know you guys are going to love it. So thank you so much to tune into the show. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe on the Juice Bar channel. Look out for this Easter recipe and a lot of stuff gonna come out very soon. For the fans then, we love you and thank you so much for the time, subscribing and leaving your comments. It is brilliant. So stay tuned as we make you a fantastic drink now. So basically I have some spinach and some coriander right here. This is some coriander, fresh coriander. I'm gonna pop it straight inside of it like this. Some spinach. Going to make you a nice lovely drink. Little bit more spinach, roughly a handful of spinach. Really nice, very easy and simple. Few broccoli. Piece of a ginger. Half of a red apple. I'll just remove the skin. Half glass of water. Some honey. Tablespoon of honey. Gonna get some lime juice. Just put a little bit more water, just to fret the blender. Cover it. Blend this about 3 to 4 minutes on a Ninja blender. Once you got a good blender, you're good to go. Nice and lovely. I just finished blending it, and now all I have to do is pour it out into a glass. Nice man, lovely. Look at that, guys, that is fantastic. So I like to drink this 5 mornings straight and get some good result. Broccoli, spinach, ginger and some coriander, really nice and good to go. Green up yourself and get ready for summer. Thank you so much for watching. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe, as you can see. Fantastic drink and I know you guys will love this one. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Got a lot more recipe and a lot more things coming your way. This is from Chef Ricardo, Juice Bar channel. See you next time. Broccoli drink. See you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, today I'm making you a cleanser for your body with some broccoli, avocado, coriander, ginger, lemon, spinach, a lot of ingredients, guys. You drink this for 5 mornings straight. It helps to clean out your body and clean out all of those cold, cough symptoms where you got them, guys. It's just fantastic. You know, when you eat chicken, beef and all these things, so many things leave back inside of you. So basically you need to cleanse your body. So when you cleanse your body, you're fresh and nice and new again. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning into the show. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipes and a lot more stuff coming out your way. If I'm 500 likes, 500 comments, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. My name is Chef Ricardo and thank you so much for watching my show. Stay tuned. Nice. Lovely, welcome back again with Chef Ricardo. I'm always in the kitchen giving you a favorite recipe. But today we want to make yourself a nice lovely cleanser and I'm going to just show you how you can make yourself a cleanser at home. Okay, first thing I want to say, this is how you're going to start off with. I must say I have a little bit of, this is some fresh mint, but just a little bit of fresh mint. I'm gonna pop this inside of it. As you can see, that is just a little bit of extra fresh mint. Really nice and lovely for you. So I just put in some fresh mint. This is some broccoli, which I'm going to put also inside of it. That's one broccoli. 2. 3. 4. 5 pieces of broccoli. Then piece of ginger. Gonna put a piece of a lemon inside of it. So what I'm doing at the moment is to just remove the skin from the lemon. Half of a lemon inside of it. Really nice. So I'm gonna make a cleanser. So we got thyme, we got some fresh mint, broccoli, ginger, lemon, this is the most important which you're going to put inside of it. A nice lovely fresh piece of this is some coriander. It smells really nice. Wow, look at that, beautiful and nice fresh coriander. Gonna pop it straight inside of it like that. I love coriander. Little bit of spinach. Half of an avocado. I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Take a look at time. Don't use a knife like this one because you have to be careful. You can use like a bread knife or a table knife and just scrape it out. Put it like that. Nice one. Then we're going to put some honey. 1 large teaspoon of honey. Nice one. Water. See? Roughly about 3/4 glass of water. Nice one. Cover it. And then blend it for about 3 to 4 minutes. So basically I just finished blending it. Now we're going to pour it in like this. You see that? That is a proper cleanser for your body, guys. So hopefully you will like the recipe. Please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. As you can see, cleanser from Chef Ricardo. When we said cleanser, we're talking about a proper cleanser which is really good with coriander and also a lot more stuff inside of it. So it's just really a nice recipe for the fans them. And that's how the way the coriander look, fresh and nice. With some spinach, really fantastic, guys. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe and leave your comments below. We got a lot more ideas, recipe like this coming out your way.